Hello sisters! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and today we're going to try out this baby here. This one is a jewelry cleaner. I haven't cleaned my jewelry in a while now, so I'm going to test it out and see if this will work or not. Sisters, let's try it. Alright, let's start off with all the items that's on the counter here. This is the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. And this one, you can get it from Amazon. I got this as a gift a few Christmas ago. On Amazon, you can get this for $50.99. It also cleans jewelry, eyeglasses, a lot of kind of different metals, watches, utensils, you name it. You can put anything in here if you want it to be clean. You can see that there's buttons here. So at the front here, it'll say on and off. So obviously you turn on and off the machine. And then this one is actually the timer. It's by seconds. If you want it like 90 seconds, 180 seconds. So just the duration of the ultrasonic for this one. And then the next one here is the Weiman Jewelry Cleaner. I like to use this for my gold, platinum, or titanium jewelry. So this one is pretty good. You just have to swish it in the tray and soak it like 15-20 minutes, and then you can just rinse it out. And it's pretty easy as well. I'm not gonna be using this today because I just want a regular clean. This is a solution that I usually use and pair it up with this. So this is the iSonic Jewelry and Eyewear Ultrasonic Cleaner. All you have to do is mix this 1 capful of this with 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water for this. So this one will fill this up pretty nicely and it'll have a nice soak for a lot of jewelry here. So you can see it's a pretty big capacity inside, and inside there's like a little tray where after you finish the ultrasonic cleaning, you can take it out and then dry it on like a piece of cloth, put it like that, and then it'll drain all the water out. Yay, I'm excited! We can try this out. And I get to clean my jewelry this time. And I have my hefty jewelry box here. I got this from Winners, I believe. From Winners. It's really cute. It's like a rose gold mirrored jewelry box, and it says "Hello Lovely" at the top. This is the Tiffany and Co bracelet, and I'm excited to see how dirty this gets because I wear this every single day. I want to see how dirty it is. Hopefully it's not too dirty, but we'll see. So we're going to put this in here, and then there's some jewelry here, my earrings, necklace, a lot of earrings, and then I have Swarovski necklace as well. A lot of times I realize the earrings, especially the back studs, they tend to get pretty dirty, especially when you've been wearing it a lot every single day and you don't take it off. We're going to clean all of these up. Some of them are like really nasty. Let's see how powerful this thing is. I have a lot of earrings. All right, let's put the solution in. This one requires 1 capful of the solution and then 0.5 liters of water. I'm gonna put 1 capful, just like that. And then 2 cups of water because it's gonna be 500 milliliters. And then you can adjust your timer. So this one is 90 seconds. I usually put it as 180, so that's like 3 minutes. We're going to put it on now. You hear that? You can hear it moving. So that's the ultrasonic sound. And right now it's vibrating inside and making sure that all the dirt, all the grime from your earrings, your jewelry are going to be taken out. 3, 2, 1. Yay! It's done! Let's take this out. Like I was saying, there's like a little tray here. I'll be back because I'm going to be rinsing this through the tap water. Oops. Just gotta be careful. Oh, that's gotta be careful. Look, one of my earring came out. Maybe I'll put a tray underneath. What? Let's take all my jewelry and let's put this in here. There's like gunk all over. You see that? That part came out from my ear. He approves. Okay, so all my jewelry is clean now. I'll put it on this piece of towel so you guys can see. Blah. And then let's dry it all up. Ew, the water is so nasty. So nasty. Ew. Alright sisters, you guys saw the results. What did you guys think? Was it really clean? I thought it was pretty clean. I've used this jewelry cleaner for around 2 to 3 times now and I've been liking it so far. If you want to check this out, I will link all of these items in the description below. And that's it. Comment down below and let me know what you want to see next or what you want me to try on next. And I'll see you in my next episode. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, remember to hit that subscribe button. See you. Bye, sisters.
The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the
We're going to be trying out. Bye, sister. Bye, sister.